Alright, so we have put the correct flashers, ones with the ground, the ones that are recommended and requested by the manufacturer of the taillight kit. So that's in. So, here's our situation. Okay, do what I say when I say to do it, Mr. Zander. Okay, give me brakes. Okay, let off that's the brakes. What was that? So the brakes went from dim to bright when you turn the car on. Brakes? Off. Okay, turn the regular lights on. Great. Turn the lights off. Give me hazards. Got the hazards on? Okay, we ain't got nothing. Turn the hazards off. Give me right turn. Okay, we got nothing. Give me left turn. Okay, we got nothing. Now, turn the lights on. Put your foot on the brakes. Hit the hazards. Turn the hazards off. Take your foot off the brake, leave the lights on. Hit the hazards. Nothing. Okay, so our next little magic trick test we're gonna do, go ahead and turn all the power off, turn the lights off, turn everything off. Okay, back here in the sockets that the kit plugs into, I'm gonna plug in regular bulbs. And we're gonna try it and see if everything functions. Because then if everything functions, we know there's something here. Either it's still got not enough load, even though these are the ones recommended.
Yeah.
Or they're defective, but it sounds like I'm gonna be making a phone call tomorrow. It's a science experiment. When you install this kit, it has you leave one of the bulb sockets on each side for a stop tail turn open. So, out of curiosity, Xander and I just put bulbs in. Just to see. Maybe it builds up enough load to help it do its thing. So, first thing you're going to do, Xander, is don't touch anything, hit the key, turn the power ignition on. Okay, ignition is on. First thing, give me brakes. Let go, do it again. Okay. Give me all the lights. Okay. Give me left turn. It's sort of kind of pulsating. Do that again. It's not really visible. Give me right turn. Right turn?
Yeah.
Okay, I ain't got nothing. Turn it off, give me hazards. I can at least watch it blink. Now leave the hazards on. Okay, turn off the regular lights. Now give me hazards. Nothing? They're on?
Yeah.
Okay. Key still on?
Yeah.
Give me left turn. Nothing. Give me right turn. Okay, gave brake lights. So when you give me that off and give me brake lights again? Okay, so they kind of build up slowly. Okay, and now one's just on. All right, turn everything off. I'm gonna pull the light socket here and put regular bulbs in there again as well and see what it does. Because if they work normally then we know we need to give these people a definite call. So now we've done everything their instructions say. We've checked everything, done everything. And now we have nothing. Okay, we got bulbs everywhere. First order of business. Sit down, turn the key on to run. Whoa.
Okay.
Okay. Give me brakes. Okay. They build up slowly, but they came on. Okay, give me... Sorry, phone got hot. Give me brakes again. Okay. Off the brakes. On the brakes. Okay, they definitely come up slowly. Okay. Turn all the lights on. Okay. Those work perfectly fine. Okay. Turn the lights off. Give me hazards.
There you go.
Nothing. Okay. Give me left turn.
Yeah.
Nothing. Give me right turn.
There you
Nothing. Okay. Turn everything off. Alright, so we've put the two flashers that the car came in with back. Xander,
go. Yeah.
turn on the key.
What?
The key. Okay. Hit the brakes. Okay. Now let off. Hit the brakes again. Okay, there's some serious resistance because they take a while to come up. Okay. You have the key on. Give me left turn.
It's taking at the car.
Yeah, and they're flashing back here. Okay, give me right turn. All right, I have right turn. Turn that off. Are you on hazards?
Yeah.
Hazards are working. Okay, turn all the lights on, leave the hazards on. Okay, they're doing their thing. Turn the hazards off. Turn left turn. Okay, give me right turn. Right turn. Right turn.
Yeah.
Okay, we have no right turn. We have... You have it in right turn right now?
Yeah.
It's sort of kind of flickering, not really. Okay.
Yeah, the dash light with the green arrow flickers when you first turn it on and then it goes off.
So that comes on and that turns off. Okay.
For the light.
So this is telling me we have other than this situation as an electrical issue, which makes sense. Okay. So give me brake lights while you have the marker lights on. Okay. Note this one here in the right rear. Look how dim that filament is. It's hard to tell with camera. But this filament is very dim in comparison to this one. Okay. Interesting. All right. Turn off all lights. Turn off the key. All right. Now, we got some thinking to do.